guys, meat on a stick, like the olden days. This is actually a bay leaf tree, and we take the branches, okay, and we put the meats into the sticks, and the meats will gain like a extra taste from the bay leaf, and it's just like a Madeira island, a way to do the meat on the stick. This cow meat, very tender, very nice. Got some mushrooms, already ate the melon right there, chips, and some nice beautiful steaks. Look at that, everyone. Amazing. Let's go. Okie dokie, so now doing the oil change on the 4x4. So for this one I had to take off my shoes, okay, and get on top of the car because it is huge, okay, and there's no other way than getting on top of the car. See, gotta get on top of the 4x4, the UMM, and my knees here on the radiator, and there you go. Yes, that click was my knees because I've been here for too long. So I already changed the oil filter. That's right there, okay, the oil filter. So I already changed the oil filter right there. It's actually a taller one than the original one was shorter, so now we use a taller one so that we can easily take it out, and the oil goes in here right there, okay. So now we got here the oil, and ready boots. How much liters?
It's 2.5.
How much is the can? 5
liters.
Okay, yeah, so we can put this whole thing inside. And yes, it's a mission because we have to go on top of this, but it is a beautiful car. Okay, that's about it. I need to get a can with a longer nose, nozzle, okay, because I forgot that this Jeep is bloody far. Okie dokie. Okay, now I'm going to measure the oil level. You can pause that quickly. Oh, this is where you get the oil level, right from here. So you also have to go on top of the car just to get to it. This is like military grade, okay. Actually, this one did come from the military, this car, in Africa. Can you believe it? It's got a long history. Okie dokie. Oh, look at that. So nice and transparent, the oil. Look at that. Okay, so we might need more, yes, because still has to go to the oil filter. So we need, I would say like another, how much do we have?
A liter.
We have a liter.
One more.
Yeah, let's put like 3/4.
Okay.
And I think it will be good. Oh, my knees. It's part of the life of loving cars, you know. Sometimes you just gotta, like riding a horse. Okay, I did spill a bit of oil. I'm gonna have to clean it right there, but I got the brake cleaner that I always use, which we get actually €1.90 a can. It's amazing. In a shop, if you want to know the shop, I'll put it in the description. All the shops and wherever I buy stuff, I put it in the description. I talk in the videos. They aren't sponsored whatsoever. It's just to help you guys find the best prices on the things that I can show on the videos. So yes, almost there. So it's a little bit under maximum, but wait, don't put it starting. Let me close up everything. Might need a little bit more. Just going to run it just for 1 minute and then we'll check it out. I really got to clean all that spool. I've got to get a bigger nozzle can. Is this correctly? No. Okay. Heard a click. Wait a minute. Okay, everything's good. I'm safe. Go. Good sound. I love the sound of new oil on the engine. So much smoother. Okie dokie, that's enough. Now we'll just wait a little bit. Looking very good actually, the car. I just gotta let it go down a bit and measure it again. And then just clean it up and good to go. Another car done. Okay doke, so got all the oil in. Now, yes, the oil is right there. Okay, perfect. Right below maximum. It's a pity they don't make things like this anymore, eh? Look at that. This has lasted for, how old is the Jeep? 30 years old?
Yeah, about 30, yeah.
80.
Yeah, 70.
20, 35 years old, and look at this dipstick. Look at that. Never been changed, guys. Amazing. No rust, no nothing. The Citroen, you guys saw, had to change it because it was full of rust and everything. And that's a 2001. They just don't make things like they used to. Beautiful. Okay. And now just insert it back in. And that's it. There you go. Okay, so everything looking good. Already cleaned it, all the oil spill. Okay, that's why the cloth is all dirty. Beautiful. Okay, now I feel the pain. Now I'm still going to retouch this paint over here, don't worry. That's right there. Battery acid that went bad, and I cleaned it up with a special product. That's why it never became worse, but I'm gonna just have to retouch with paint now. But I'm going to do that when I'm doing the paint on these new parts. Remember, I'm redoing these parts. Okay, that one's going to be original, not original because it's fiberglass. This one is, but that one I got a new one. This one as well, I'm redoing an old one, and this one's going to the garbage. So yes, once I get this ready for paint, then I'm going to take the paint and do all the touch-ups and do everything I got to do. But look at that, just push it all towards the back and you have all the space to work, but you still have to climb over it, so it is still a hassle. The oil I was using was this for this car. I'm using this one here, Motul 4100 1040. It's a very good oil for this engine. I'm still want to get even a better one. I change the oil every 4,000 kilometers, and that's why it's not worth like wasting almost like 90 bucks on oil. But I'm still looking even for a better one, although this one is for the PSA engines. It's proper for this type of engine, but I'm always looking for better and better. The one on the Saxo made a big difference, and it is looking, the sound and the performance has become even better with that other oil of Motul, the racing oil. And this one, for now, I'm going to test it. It's the first time I'm using this one, and yes, let's see how it goes. Okie dokie, so job well done. Now I'm going to close this bonnet, which weighs a lot. Okay, oh, there we go. Well, it's not too much, you know, but it's gonna put the camera for me nowhere. Gotta put the rod in place. Okay, and now we just drop it when it's like almost down. Okay, one hand exercise. Amazing. Look at that. Tell me, where do you see a car like this, guys? Look at that. The design. The exoskeleton is the metal sheet itself. Amazing, eh? Of course you got the reinforcements then. It's quite very tough, this, I mean. It is very tough, but yes, amazing. But yes, after 35 years then came the Cybertruck to use the same type of design, eh? That's my opinion. And the Saxo, also rode it today, working beautifully. It did like this oil a lot, so if you want to put that oil in your car, I'm not going to advise it because I only do it on my one, so but I'm happy, so I'm going to continue to use this Motul racing oil because I enjoyed it a lot. I like the way the motor's running, the noise, the smoothness on the drive, even the cooling of the oil and everything. I think it made a big difference because the temperature didn't go so high today. The radios are working excellent, the radio. This one and the one also in the 4x4, it's working very, very well. So it was a good thing we changed the radios. Now we can have more comfortable ride. This one is also very good. It's working also very nicely. Life is good. Thank you, Jesus, for everything you've been doing, everything you've done, and everything you still will do, Jesus. Thank you very much. Yes. So now we're going to start it up. Always like to, this car, if I don't use it in a long time, always have to let the coils start up for heat up 5 times. But of course it's already been running today, so I'm just going to leave it now 3. Neutral. Let's go. How smooth and beautiful sound. New oil. Great. No smoke, no nothing. Beautiful. Car is working excellent. Needs I need to clean this carpet because we went to the beach the other day. Only got sand here. Oh no, we also got there. Okay. So I gotta clean it up. Sorry for that, guys. Yes, radio is looking good. I actually wanted this radio in the Citroen Saxo. I like more this one. I just think it's more simple, and you got the volume knob is like a huge difference while you're driving. I miss that in the Citroen Saxo, but this radio wouldn't fit, so it is what it is. Very good. Don't need it now. Suck it in and switch it off. Okay. So, gonna pick up the cars. Everything is done. Very happy. Let's go. So with this, time to close this video. See you all on the next one. And I'm out. God bless you all.